Hi everybody, thank you for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this hair right here, these voluptuous curls. I did my hair like this for my maternity shoot that I had earlier in the week, and I saw a lot of people asking for a tutorial, and I feel like it's been a while since I've just done like a basic how-to tutorial, and this is a new technique that I've been doing for the past couple of months. So if you guys want to learn how to get this hairdo right here, then please keep watching. So the first thing we're gonna do is section off our hair. I always start at the bottom. Just clip the rest up. And then I bring all of the hair to the front. I just started and I wasn't recording. So I'm gonna take this bottom piece of hair, this full section, and I'm going to curl it. So I'm using this 5-in-1 curling wand. This is my favorite. I've had it for years and it's just still amazing. I'm gonna put the wand up on my hair like so and just wrap the hair around. And let it fall. I'm using the Living Proof Flex hairspray, and I'm gonna just spray the hair and pin the curls in the same shape as they fell, like that. So I have little clips in like all different shapes, colors. I had a bunch of these, I can't find any of them. You can also use bobby pins, and you're just gonna pin it into place. And that is so the curl can set in that shape. It's gonna last a lot longer. And my hair is very like heavy, so it's very important that I do this if I want the curls to last. So we're gonna take the wand, put it on top of the hair, and just wrap.
I really wanted to get it right. Trying to find some balance in my life. But I never.
And I always like to touch the hair. Once you feel the heat coming through, you know that it's done. So I'll always like catch it at the bottom to keep it in that shape. Spray. And then pin. I missed a piece, of course. Get that one after. And pin it like that. And we're gonna just repeat the same thing all throughout the hair. So if you guys want to use clip-in extensions, clip those in and curl them with your real hair. That's what I used to always do. I'm not wearing them. I didn't wear them for my maternity shoot. When I had Nicole's wedding, I did wear them and I felt like my hair fell quicker because it was like so heavy. So I preferred how it looked at the shoot over how I did it at the wedding. So same thing with the next section. I always like to brush out my hair. That way it's smooth. And I blow dried my hair last night when I got out of the shower. Always make sure your hair is like blow dried straight first. And also on top and wrap. Spray it. We got Benjamin laying next to me. Oh. Hi, baboos. You want to say hi to my friends? He's such a good boy. I'm so in love with him, by the way. Like that. Hi, baby. Come here. Oh, there he is. You see his little ass. I'm gonna do 2 more layers. So again, just brush out the hair. And always straighten your hair. I did it before, like when I blew out my hair in the front. If you have any frizzy pieces, do that before you curl the hair. And last but not least, I'm gonna do a middle part. I always like to do a middle part, make it look good in the middle, and then like if I'm feeling like I want a side part, I'll just kind of like fluff it over and it gives it more body. So like for my shoot, I did my hair exactly like this, and then for different outfit changes and stuff, I did the side part, like I flipped it over. All right, final two. So for the top piece, I do it a little different for the back because I want it to have more body. So I take it under and I wrap it like that. And then the front piece, I take it from above and I wrap it like that. And then twist it all the way up like that.
And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote.
And I pin it up like that.
When you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers.
Last piece, same thing, from behind.
What you've got.
And pin it up again, like that. And one more spray. So normally when I'm doing my hair like this and I'm pinning it, I will do my hair first and then I'll do my makeup next. That way it just has time to set. But I'm gonna let it sit for at least a half hour. You want the curls to cool in this shape. It's gonna help keep the shape of the curls so much longer and it's just gonna look a lot better. So I'll be back in about 30 minutes and I'll show you guys how to style the hair because this is the key to making it look amazing. So I waited about a half hour. So you're gonna take out the curls starting with the bottom. I like to spray it one more time. And then you take a comb, brush it through the curl, and then I just back comb it, like with the like that, and it kind of separates. It makes the curl that much bigger, and then spray it again, like that. And you're just gonna repeat the same thing all the way through. So spray, brush, and then comb. Spray it and pull the curl apart. So you can see that's just one section and it looks like a lot more hair.
I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote.
Just gonna tease it. And it's all about just like forming the curl and then spraying it once it's out.
It said, son, when you grow up, you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answers, and you'll find what you've got.
This one feels crunchy already, so I'm gonna just brush. And I'm gonna tease a little bit up here. Give it a little bit of body. The final 2.
I met a young man, searching for glory. I took out an old pen, and wrote in my story.
Spray again. Feel free to tease it if you want it more full.
It's time to go. I pray he reads what's on the note and takes to heart what I wrote.
So this is the final result. I'm so obsessed with these curls. When you tease it the way that I did, it just makes your hair look so much fuller, and I just love how like fluffy and bouncy they are, and they last pretty long. So there's other hairsprays you guys can use that are gonna be like a more strong hold. This one's pretty light because I like it more like fluffy. But if you guys have like an event and you want it to last like even longer, I would use a hairspray and just kind of like spray it into place, so that way it's not going anywhere. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to tag me if you guys try it out. You will love it, I can guarantee it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.